Welcome to the ranch. We missed Thanksgiving, or y'all missed Thanksgiving. We were super busy, had a lot of fun. It's all good. But this week, we are shipping cattle. So what we're going to do today's actually a pretty nice day. I got Luke and Allie, they're coming here. They're somewhere around here somewhere. We're going to start gathering everything up. The steers and the heifers, and we got to sort 50 steers, 50 of the light end off of the steers, because we sold the steers. So the steers, we need about 160 head of steers to be shipped, as kind of what was sold. So we're going to do that today. Tomorrow the weather's supposed to be pretty cruddy, so I didn't know if I could film tomorrow. And we're loading cattle and all that stuff. And then also, there's an update on the mountain lion. If you follow me on Instagram, you know we had a mountain lion out here, and I've got a video of it. But you got an update on the mountain lion, and we had a tractor commit suicide, and damage the barn. So we'll go look at all that. So first things first, we're gonna go get the steers, the heifers in and the steers in, sort the light end and the steers up, and then we'll go check on that other stuff. All right, you guys tag along. So while we're waiting on Luke and Allie, I see them, they're right there, here they come. So let me update you on the mountain lion. So we've been seeing a mountain lion around here the last couple of weeks. Well, we've been seeing, I think, signs of it before that. But about 2 weeks ago, north of me on the ranch up here, a good buddy of mine, Craig Young, they've got a ranch. If you flying northeast of here, it's about 6 miles, and then you kind of get into they big canyons and stuff out there, and got a big lake. He'd been seeing some cat tracks, and then some cats getting the mountain lions and stuff like that. And so about a week later, I actually got a video of a mountain lion on the ranch here on one of my game cameras. And so I sent the video to him and told him, I said, you need to come get your dang cat. And it was a big cat too. So then yesterday morning, we all been out hunting for it. We've been going out every night, evening, hunting and looking for him, because we just don't have cats here. It's just not something that we have around here. And so yesterday morning, Craig sent me a video of 2 mule deer that were dead right next to each other. One of them had been eaten. Hey! Dang dog fight. Quit, Bluey. Well, all right. Having a dog fight over here. So Bluey's been in heat, so she's been locked up, and I just let her out, so now she's being a grouch. She is jacked up too. All right, so back to my story. 2 dead deer right beside each other. One had been eaten, one hadn't been. This is on Craig. So Craig sent me that. That was yesterday morning, and then yesterday evening, they were kind of set. These guys, he's got a hunter with his son, 14-year-old son, were set up there messing around, kind of getting ready to go hunt. And then they looked over there and they saw one of the deer that hadn't been eaten, was gone. So they get on their glass and they find that cat is there. I mean, this is like, I don't know, 5 o'clock in the evening or something, was dragging that other deer off. So the son, the 14-year-old son, chambers around and gets him. And this cat is, I'm not a cat expert, but this cat is big. I mean, any cat, anything bigger than a bobcat around here is big. But so the cat ended up weighing 170 pounds, and from tail to head, he was just over 9 feet, just like 9 feet in an inch or two. So here's some pictures of it too. So maybe that's a pretty dang big cat. So and best I can tell, this is probably one of the very first mountain lions ever killed in Hemphill, or that was actually probably in Roberts County, either one. I mean, everybody all said they've seen cats and stuff like that, but yeah, this is the first. So, all right, I think here comes my crew. So we're gonna let's go get these cattle in, get them sorted up. Oh, and now I gotta show you my tractor that committed suicide. You think about right there? That's more than enough. Hell, them are all big.
Yeah, I know.
They're all big.
By. I was about to say the same thing.
All right, you go sort. Y'all good, big. In, big, in. Hey. Up. Up. There we go. Three buys.
Hey, 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 hey. Shh, 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 shh. Bye.
Bye. Let's go in. Let's go buy and in.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. All right. In.
In.
Bye. In. Hey.
In.
In.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Three buys. Oop.
Hey.
Push him up. There you go, Blue.
In. Four ends.
In. Hey. Look at him.
Inside.
Bye.
I was calling him in.
Oh, you gonna call him in? Okay, in.
I don't know
I'll
where
say in. He's on the line.
in. He's
And he go. I think he can go in.
yeah. There's a couple more big
He's
ones.
on the. He's on the border. He's on the line.
He's got the frame.
Yeah, he got the frame, just maybe not as heavy. In.
All right. Black one by. I get they can both go by.
Yeah, let's go by 2 times.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
All right, well, here's the outside of the barn. Right there, so, and the roof's damaged too. Let me take you inside here. There the tractor is. Oh yeah, good stuff here, huh? So this is a 125 Kubota. It's got a front end loader on there. Got a little damage, but it's for sale if you're interested. So let's look up barns. There you go. So let's come in. Got a little hot in here too. Come through the windows there. Okay, check. All right, so here's the story behind the tractor. So, yeah, y'all know me. Every time we're talking about tractors, I'm cussing tractors, and this is nothing new. I mean, if I was a tractor and I was owned by me, I'd probably commit suicide too, because I freaking hate tractors. God, I hate it. You know, everything like car. So here's the story about the whole deal. So Carlos day before yesterday, he went and fed the cattle with the hay grinder. Remember the hay grinder? He grinds the hay up and all that kind of stuff. And out in the pasture. So that was in the morning, and then he came in here and parked it. And then after that, it sat parked all day. And I drove by it a couple times, nothing. Went deer hunting, drove by it when I was deer hunting, shot a bunch of deer, went up here, gutted the deer, and then I came by it in the dark. So it was dark when I came by it, and I didn't see anything glowing or any kind of fire, didn't smell any kind of fire. And then middle of the night, at midnight, I come out of the bed because I heard a boom, boom. And I'm like, oh crap, I thought it was like oil field tank blowing up or something like that. And so I jumped up out of the bed and looked around, couldn't find anything. Of course, my house looks more that way, not really back this way. And so I finally went back to bed. Thought, I don't know, I didn't smell anything. I didn't find anything. And then in the morning, Carlos came in. He goes, so I got really, really, really bad news. I'm like, oh no, what? I'm like, oh, what horse died? And he said, no horse died. The tractor burnt to the ground. I'm like, oh, well, that's bad news, but it's not like a horse dying. I mean, it's a $40,000 tractor, but it's like, I don't know. I mean, I'm just not, I guess to him, tractors are more important. To me, horses are more important. So anyways, it burnt to the ground. I think the round baler's fine. It's got a little bit of burn. Got to work on some wires. I think all this back here can be fixed. It looks like all new hydraulic hoses, a whole new wiring harness, and that looks about it. I don't know. PTO shaft got a bunch of crud on it. It might need, I don't know, maybe new PTO. Other than that, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, we don't have to worry about the insurance company. There's no insurance on the barn or the tractor, so don't have to worry about that. But yeah, another reason why I hate tractors. I mean, I literally just spent $4,000 on this tractor, putting a new hydraulic pump on there, and yeah, that makes me mad. You know, when I was like, freaking piece of crap tractors. I mean, they burn diesel, they break down. It's just everything about a freaking tractor. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of tractors. I hate tractors. I hate everything about them. I don't want to sit on them. I don't want to have anything to do with them because all I do is pay bills. And then these piece of craps burn down and burn my nice barn down. So, well, the barn can be fixed. So probably what I'll do is pop all this tin, starting from here that way, pop all the tin off. Some of the purlin is bent. I'll weld some new purlin in there and screw tin in there, and we'll be good to go. Maybe take a couple days to do that. Maybe a day. Yeah. All right, so here's what we got going on now. We got, I'm shipping cattle tomorrow. If I can get some video of that, I'll pop it up. I don't know, we'll be busy. I don't know that I'll have time, but we'll see. And then we're branding. Lewis has got a couple hundred head of cattle, fall cows. We got to go brand them. So hopefully we can get some video of that. Lewis is recently, so Elise, who does a lot of the videos or stuff for me now, which we kind of made it pretty simple, but so now they're engaged, Lewis and Elise. So yeah, so that's all good. And then, yeah. Oh crap, I gotta go check on Moses. You know, he was colicking earlier and I saw him laying back down. All right. I about forgot about Moses. I got to go check on Moses. All right. Yeah, we'll see y'all next week. And thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you want this tractor. It's for sale, cheap. And yeah. All right. Another day on the ranch. Get her, Bluey. Yeah, we let her out yesterday and she was like a freaking crackhead now. I mean, she was all over. She'd bite him in the nose, bite him in the head, tail, and bite him in the feet. She was all over the place. Bluey, walk up. So these are the steers we're selling today. So we're fixing to pull them in here and weigh them. We got all the trucks in the background. Walk up. Bluey, get up. Up.
Oh.
Hey guys. Bluey, get a hold of him. Hup, oh, lost one. One short. Hup. I got it. Nope, I don't. Yeah, I got it, Carlos. I got it.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that it? Hup. So we're counting 18 out. 18 is the magic number for the scales. And then once we get them weighed, everything looks good, then we'll load them on the truck. That freaking Bluey's busy. You're a busy little dog. Alright, so we're loading now. So we're loading the truck, we're loading 7, so 7 up in the nose, 32 in the bottom, 31 on top, and then 8 in the back. So we got two loads to load of 156 steers. So me and Bluey, we're outside the alley. So see, we're in another pen. So we're just keeping the steers loose because they get crowded up in these alleys and start jumping on top of each other. So we just kind of sit over here and we kind of keep them loose. It doesn't look like we're doing anything, but we're really important job. So they're counting out the top now. Hey guys. Top will be maybe 1 steer lighter, just so you don't, you always want the top a little lighter. Hi guys. Hey guys. Hup, hup. Hey, getting close. Atta girl, Bluey. Hup. Hey, turn around. Turn around. There we go. Come on, Bluey. Good girl. Oh, easy, easy, Bluey. Look back, look back. She's starting to turn into a head dog. We gotta be careful. Hey, hey! Bluey, Bluey, here. Bluey, here. Here. Good girl. There we go. Moses had them held up there. Girl, Bluey. Get a hold. Yeah, I think it's just cold morning. That's all. So we'll back up. So when we get up here, let's do it. Feeling better today? Looks like it. Yeah, and those crazy wolves. I just didn't want to gather them up if I had pens full of this stuff. Hup! Hey guys. Hey girls. Hey girls. Hey girls. Bluey. Over here, Bluey. Hey, Bluey. Bluey, look back. Look up. There you go. Good girl. Bluey. Bluey, walk up. Walk up. Atta girl. Good job, Bluey. I might have screwed these up. Good. Sometimes I think I screw stuff up, but I'm still right. Hi, girls.
Hello. Hello now. Hello. Hello. Woo, woo. Hey. Hey. Hey!
The end.
Is he gonna make it 4 years a month?
Well, it looks like we got a malfunction in the truck. Must have flipped a gate. Me and Lewis and I, we can handle it from back here, though. We're sitting on the horses and we'll watch them yell. Uh-oh, we're climbing. We're climbing. Uh-oh. Everybody's at a standstill but Bluey. Bluey's getting pissed. Bluey, you want to go bite something? We going? Now we're going again. Bluey's gonna be all over this next drag. Bluey's on it. You ready? Bring him. We're bringing him. Here we go. Whoop! Hey! We're bringing him. Up!
Hey! Hey!
Ho! Ho!
Hey! 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 Hello! Hello!
Up! Up!
Hello! Hello! Hey!
He says bring him, we're bringing him. We'll bring him if he says bring him.
Yep.
Bluey will bring him, won't you, Bluey? Yeah, Bill. 13 again. Get him, Bluey. 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, was that 12? 11. Lost count. Had to go back and look at it. Bell, you're right in the way. Bell, get. Hey, count them, Carlos. Up. Watch it. Up. There the end of that truck.
Glad my count was right.
I'm glad your count. We were.
Nearly got caught.
I was starting out, thought, I don't know if this kid can count. All right, one more truck. We're done. Oh!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
All right, that's the end. Say goodbye. Goodbye
See
to
ya.
our shipping. All right, everybody say goodbye. Goodbye. Wes says goodbye. Wesley says goodbye. All right, see y'all next week.
Next year.
Hey, see you, man.
See you next
See
year.
ya.
Well,